Hey guys, so I want to start off this video by saying if you probably realize that this is a completely different background, and that is because I have moved into my dorm. I moved in on the 15th. I'm like the only one of my roommates here currently because not everyone else has moved in yet, but I had to move in early due to something I'm doing with school. So yeah, I thought I'd show you guys my dorm room. It's not like my room. It's more of an apartment style kind of thing. But I thought I'd show you it now. Fair warning, it's not like fully furnished or anything like that because of course not everyone's here yet and everyone else is gonna put their own little touches in and all that stuff. So yeah, let's get right into this video. Inside, so this is my door. This is where you come in, and I'm just not gonna run in the hallway for safety reasons because I don't know who's gonna be out there or anything like that. So we have a little call system, our fire evacuation route, and our light, which is just up there. So yeah, but I'm gonna turn it off because we don't really need it. So this is the first thing you see when you walk into the room. It's a little coat hanger, and right now it's just got my old cheer jacket on it, my name. And then I've got my keys for the room, my car keys, my purse, and an umbrella. And that's just all stored there because it's the easiest and quite convenient place to put it. And so there's one for each of my roommates. I have it on the third hook because my room's the third one, if that makes sense. So then you turn to your left and there's the kitchen. And so I'm just gonna walk in. So the first thing you see is the island right here. This is my box of food. That's my friend's goldfish. She actually needs to come pick that up, but that's a different. And then there's a mixing bowl. There's some like stuff on here. So there's just a random bag from Walmart. Nail polishes, a kitchen towel, oven mitt, hot pad, a bowl, and some other random bags here. And then there are 4 drawers here. Mine's this one down here. 4 drawers and a door. So I got silverware in this one. I got kitchen knives and a pizza cutter and some bag clips. And then I also have the can opener, peeler, and an ice cream scooper in there. And then down in here, I just have a little bit of everything. I'm not going to show you guys do it because it's hard. And then when you turn around, it's the kitchen. So this is our microwave and stove. Stove needs to be cleaned because I've been using it, but I'll do that later. And then this is the sink. There's cup currently in the sink because I need to wash it. But yeah, and that's our little sink scrubber and our dish soap. And then in here is my friend's water bottle. She actually needs to come and collect it, as well as her other stuff. So yeah, this is just in our dish rack, which are on a set of towels. This is on a set of towels. And then there's another thing of towels with my thing from lunch, which I still need to get rid of. Oops. And so this just currently has a lid, and this back here is my penguin mug. I actually need to get like something because the handle broke off of it. So yeah. And then this is just a lid that I need to put somewhere. And then I have a thing of canola oil, just so when I'm cooking stuff that needs it, I have it. And then this is just a pitcher with some utensils in it. And then in this, so the doors of the microwave have nothing in it. These have nothing in it. Those have nothing in it. But in here, I've got my measuring cups. I got 4 glasses back here. I have 4 glasses here, but there's only 3 because I'm currently using one. I have 3 bowls here. The 4th one's dirty. 4 plates. Dry measuring cups, which are all just stuck together. A mug here. And then a ceramic egg cooker, but I can use it for basically anything else. And then down here is the washing machine, or not the washing machine, oh my gosh, the dishwasher, which is very loud. So yeah, and then in here, I got 409 of a kitchen towel and some cleaner with bleach in it, just to make sure everything's nice and clean. And then on this side, I have water filter replacements, sandwich bags, dishwasher soap, and some garbage bags. And then the lovely fridge and freezer. So up top, I just have peanut butter and bread. And in my freezer, I just have I have an ice cube thing, some ice cube trays, some food, and yeah, nothing really exciting and fun. And then on my fridge, I have a piece of naan bread just kind of sitting there. I've got some buttered chicken, I got a water pitcher, and I got a thing of milk. And that's it, literally, quite literally it. And then over here there's like nothing. Really, there's nothing in the living room. Yeah. Anyways, moving down the hall. So if you're standing in where we were before and you go to the right, there's 4 doors on one side and 2 doors on the other. The 4 doors on this side are the bedrooms. So these 2 here are my roommates. That's their bathroom. And keep walking. This is the sinks. And I got the thermostat behind me. But here we just have a kitchen towel. I have my toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, and we have soaps on each sink and a roll of paper towels, and then under we just got our toilet paper and some extra plastic bags just in case. So yeah. And then in here, this is the second bathroom. This is the one that me and one of my roommates were sharing, so we just have a trash can. We got this organizer which houses like everything in it. And then the shower, which has just my shampoo and conditioner, and then this really cool shower curtain that I got at Target. So yeah, anyways, back out. So this room is mine. That is one of my roommate's rooms. So we're gonna go into my room, and this is what you see when you open the door. It is a very, very small. So this is my bed. My bedding is so my pillows and sheets are from TJ Maxx or Tommy Hilfiger, and then this comforter is from Target. I just have a trash can down there from Walmart, and then these are my shoes. So I have my business shoes, and then just a pair of sneakers. This is my dresser. I've got a box up there with my name on it. But anyways, so this is my dresser. I've got nothing in here, I think. If I do, it's like, oh, I've got one thing. It's article of clothing that's not mine. But then I opened this, and so this is all my stuff. So I've got my dresses, some more dresses, and then some shirts, and then my shirt for orientation. I'm just covering the logo up, so yeah. And then on this side, I have my jeans, I have a sweatshirt, and I have my bathrobe. And then I have more sheets here, which are also Tommy Hilfiger. I got these at TJ Maxx. I got my towels here. I got another thing. So these are actually the things the sheets come in. So I got some command hooks and some more shampoo. And then I also have a movie just sitting up there as well. So yeah, that's my dresser, my closet thing. And then I have some stuff up here. So like I have a magazine, a textbook, and a folder thing. And then this box has like random stuff in it. I've actually got some quarters in there so I can do like wash and stuff. But yeah, anyways, moving back around. So over here, this is my dresser, and I'm just now realizing you're gonna be able to see. Oh well, it's fine. So over here I have a name tag. That is for orientation, as well as the map with the like monster on it. And then those 2 things are also for orientation. That is our student government structure, and that is a textbook for my friend actually that I need to give her. My little laptop. Seriously, as I meant, this is my desk. So this is my laptop. This is basically where I do all my editing. I have a mirror, and I have a light back here with some pens, pencils, highlighters, and then some random stuff. I have my TV, which has Netflix on it currently because I was watching a movie. So yeah. And then I have a little bag full of skincare. I have my face wash. I have some self tanner. I got my contacts. I've got Q-tips. I've got my medication. I got 3 perfumes. 2 of them are the same one. I have another sticker here. I've got another thing of medication. I've got the razor head here. I've got leave-in conditioner. I've got some like cotton rounds. I've got my makeup remover, and then I also have some facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, and then a drying lotion for my spots. So yeah, there's that there. And then here in this first drawer, I have extra pens. I have this paper that I needed, which has stuff on it. I have my batteries here, and then I got some extra plastic bags. And that's about it. That's all that's in there. And then in here, I got laundry soap and a light bulb. And then in here, I have extra soap, a curling iron, heat protectant, a mask thing, a nail file, and an eyebrow razor. And then there in that corner, I just have a pillow. And then over here, I have my cup, which I'm currently drinking water out of. My clock is right there. This is a printer, obviously, and then I got my makeup stuff here. And then this is my dresser. So I've got clothing up here. I've got clothing in there, and I have a box in there which has my address on it. Let's not show that. And then I have my cable which is there. And then under my bed, I just have like storage stuff. Oh, you really can't even see that, but I've got like storage stuff down there in a box of like winter clothes. But yeah, so as I said, this is my bedding. So Tommy Hilfiger, Tommy Hilfiger, Tommy Hilfiger, Tommy Hilfiger, Target. And the stuff from Tommy are also from TJ Maxx, as well as the stuff that was in the closet. Oh, and then I have a hamper there. Yeah, that is it for my room tour. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My links for all my social media will be down below. As always, they're abyeveyln on everything. Evelyn spelled weird because usernames. So yeah, be sure to let me know what you guys think of this video, and let me know down below what else you would like to see from me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Almost every line on our hands align. When your hands are mine, it's like I'm whole again. Isn't that a sign?